Very good morning or good afternoon, my dear students. Today, I am going to do one more problem on Newton-Raphson method. Find the real root of x sin x plus cos x equal to 0 near x equal to pi. Look here, this is a pi. Okay. Now, example 4 and E4. This is a fourth problem I am doing on Newton-Raphson method. Already I have done 3 problems and I have actually uploaded. Please go through them. Using the Newton-Raphson method, find the real root of the equation x sin of x plus cos x equal to 0, which is nearer to x equal to pi, correct to the 3 decimal places. My dear students, solution. By the data, examiner given you x equal to pi. Means what it is? This is x0 equal to pi, given by examiner. And next one, examiner given you fx value. Look here, x sin x plus cos x equal to 0. This is fx, is given by examiner. Fx equal to x sin x plus cos x equal to 0. Then he asked you to use the Newton-Raphson formula. Therefore, by the Newton-Raphson method, this formula, look here, x n plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn, and n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay. Now, look here. Now, f of x value is already given by examiner. This is f of x value. And f dash means differentiation of fx you have to find out. And f dash x equal to, look here, differentiation of u into v form. X into sin x differentiation means u into v. The d by dx of u into v, u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And x d by dx of sin x cos x plus v sin x, and d by dx of x is 1, and plus and d by dx of cos x minus sin x, minus into plus means minus sin x. This is minus sin x plus sin x getting cancelled, and x cos x, what it is, f dash x. Now, my dear students, suppose if you don't know this formula, the Newton-Raphson method, you can ask the supervisor to give the booklet, formula booklet. In the booklet, it is there. You write the correct formula. Now, now x equal to n equal to 0. Look here. X n plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn. In this formula, put n equal to 0. Look here. It becomes what? x1. x0 minus f of x0, f dash of x0. x0 minus into bracket numerator, denominator. In the numerator, fx0 means put x equal to x0 in fx. x0 sin of x0 plus cos of x0. The same thing. x0 sin of x0 plus cos of x0. And f dash x, you put x equal to x. x0 cos of x0. x0 cos of x0 equal to, don't do, actually you have tried the values of x0 here. That is pi. And again pi, sin of pi, cos of pi, pi, cos of pi, and find out. Don't do. If you do by mechanically and manually, it will take more time. I will use shortcut method to get the answer in 5 seconds. Okay. And write it here as it is. And x1, whatever the answer is coming, you write x1 and box it. Now I have not found the answer, therefore empty box. And next, put n equal to 1. Then x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. And x1 and f of x1. In fx, you write the x1. x1 sin of x1 plus cos of x1 divided by x1 cos of x1. Now, put this value of x1 here. x1 value you are getting, you have to put it here. put it here and find. Don't do, because mechanically by or manually it will take more time. I will get the answer in only 3 seconds. Don't worry. Then put n equal to 2, then x3 equal to x2, f of x2, f dash of x2, x2 and same x2 sine of x2 plus cos of x2 and divided by x2 cos of x2, and put this x2 value here and find out. Don't do, it will take more time. I will get the answer in 3 seconds. Okay, that is x3 value. Then put n equal to 3, then x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 divided by f dash x3, and x3 minus x3 sine of x3 cos of x3 divided by x3 cos of x3. Look here, this value you have to put it here. Find out. Don't do. I will get the answer in only 3 seconds. Then, my dear students, how to get the answer, I am going to tell you. Look here. Now, examiner given you x0 equal to 5. Okay. Now, my dear students, on the calculator, press the mode button, then one button, that is COMP, and shift, and look here, into 10 raised to x. If you shift button and if you press this 10 raised to x, you are getting 5. And equal to button. And in the display of calculator at the bottom, 3.142. This is 5 value. In the bottom you are getting. Means in answer, you stored this 5 value. Its value is 3.142. Okay. Now, whether in answer it is there or not, check. Press the AC button. You check whether answer button gives the 3.142 or not. Then press the answer button and equal to button. And on the display, you are getting 3.142. Means you have stored this 5 value in where answer button. Remember. Then look here. I have to find out x1 value. x0 minus x0 sine of x0 plus cos of x0 divided by x0 cos of x0. Now you have to put the here x0 value, that is 5. Don't do that. Say, where is the x0 value? In answer button. Therefore, look here, x0, where you have stored answer, you write the answer. You look here, yeah, on the display of calculator, press the answer button and minus, look here, minus button and bracket, and you can choose the division button. Division button inside the bracket means numerator, denominator. In the numerator, again x0, answer, sine of x0, sine answer, plus cos x0, cos answer, and bring the cursor at the bottom. x0, answer, and cos x0, cos answer. Okay, and bring the cursor here, close it. Now, my dear students, remember, look here. Next step, very, very important. You press the calculate button. You are getting value of the x1 like this on the display. And if you press the calculate button once again, you are getting x2 equal to so much you are getting. Then press the again calculate button. x3 value you are getting this value. Then again press the calculate button, x4 value you are getting. Now continue this process until this last 2 values the same. Now look here, x3, x4 same, stop. Means you go up to the iteration 4. Then you can enter there, my dear students. Look here. x1, how much you got? 2.823. Here you write 2.823. 8, 2, 3. Then x2, look here. x2, how much you got? 2.799. 2.799. Then x3 value is how much you got? 2.798. 2.798. And x4 value how much you got? 2.798. Look here. These two values are same. And therefore, stop iteration. And therefore, x equal to, look here, x equal to, write final answer. Look here, x equal to x3 equal to x4 equal to 2.798 is required real root. Is required real root. Required real root. Now, verification of answer you have to do. Verification of solution. This is f of x equal to f of 2.79. 2.798. You put this value in this x sin x and cos x. You are getting 0.000 means 0. This is RHS. Now, you can make the box for this answer. If we get 0 here, and give bouquet to examiner. 100% correct answer. Okay. Now, in this way, you have to solve the problems, my dear students. Say, wish you good luck and have a nice time and good luck in exam.